this exploding name project has a bunch of different options. The kids can really use any color combinations that they want. It's awesome. Every kid does it differently, and that's what I always try to challenge the kids to do, is to make it look different. To kind of start out with a dot or kind of a little squiggle in the middle and go back and forth from one color. Maybe pick your two favorite colors and almost like scribbling, or just kind of squiggle and do some zigzags or squiggle lines or scribbling straight lines. A little bit bigger zigzags, but really you just want to have an explosion of color. Some of those good examples that I showed you, and that's the unique part of this. So hopefully this is a fun, easy project to get you guys started.